Hello everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a slightly different kind of video. This is predominantly a craft channel, however I'm doing an unboxing video today, and this is going to be a Sylvanian Families mystery box unboxing because I did an unboxing last week and it was a craft box and it went down quite well, and I did have a comment or two asking if I could do my Sylvanian Families box when it arrives, and it's just come. So we're going to unbox it and we're going to have a look inside. This box cost me £15. This was from JC's Bargain Buys. I will link them. The craft box was well worth it, so we're going to see what this one is like. Now this one has taken longer to come. I bought them both on the same day. This has taken over a week to get to me. It was dispatched at the end of last week and it's now Monday. Yeah, it's Monday. So yeah, dispatch was a bit slow, and again it's come a bit battered. I'm going to take you off and show you. I think the package inside needs a little bit of work, but it's just packaging, so let me show you. So this is kind of how it's come. Apologies if you can hear a dog squealing. I have two on crate rest because I've had two dogs have surgery within 2 weeks. It's been a bit of a nightmare, but you can see it's not the best, but we're going to undo it, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is labelled up as a Sylvanian Families returns box. Now whether that's returned stock from Amazon or liquidated stock, I'm not sure. I wasn't too worried about the risk with this one because my little girl loves Sylvanian Families. She's got all my ones from childhood. I've been buying her bits and pieces here and there off eBay or, you know, selling sites. So whatever is in this box, she will love, she will use. So this was £15, okay? So the first thing I have is a big box, and it is Lakeside Lodge. It says figurines and some accessories not included. That's actually in the fine print on the actual box. I can see it is taped up. I don't know if you can see that. There's some tape there. So let's open it up and see what kind of condition it's in. Either way, I know she'll love this and I know she'll play with this. I just have the quandary now of when I give this to her. Oops. Okay, let's have a look. So it looks pretty good. There's a thing that's there. I mean, it looks pretty new to me. Everything's still in its packaging. She doesn't have this already, happy to say. And that's okay. So I don't know what's supposed to come. That's a hammock. That's the roof. There's supposed to be a rope ladder maybe. It also shows like a pizza oven, which she's already got, and a table and chairs. So I don't think that's like, I don't know how much this is. I'll have to look it up and I'll edit in a price of how much this would cost to buy. But for now, I think that's really good. Let's just have a look in here. I mean, it feels new, I'll be honest. I know it's all got tape on, but it doesn't feel too bad. Just open this bit. So in here, look, it's all still in its wrappers. I mean, this is pretty damn good, isn't it? Table and chairs, little fire pit, marshmallows, and the ladder. I don't see anything wrong with this at all. Really made up with that. Don't know how much it is to buy like from a shop or from Amazon, but she'll be over the moon with that. Okay, I'll put that back together in a minute because then she has the joy of opening it. Next, I have a 3-piece suite, so it's like a furniture set. So let's get into this. Really should have maybe got some Maybe you should have got some scissors to do this. Okay, finally got into it. Again, looks really good. Everything's in its packaging. Oh, whoops. Even got the flowers, like no issues with that at all. Really pleased with that. Well worth £15 of anyone's money, I think. And then there's one more thing, and it's a table and chair set, which, as you can see, it is well battered. But let's open it up and have a look at this. Okay, so these ones are in bubble wrap, or there's bubble wrap in there. It's a table, but the chairs are still wrapped. I don't see at first glance anything wrong with that. I don't see any issues with any of this. I am pretty happy. I just apologise for the noise of the dogs. I think my little girl's going to be absolutely over the moon with all this. And that's, I think, well worth £15. I will try and edit in the prices of how much these bits would be to buy brand new from a shop or from Amazon or whoever. But I'm happy. I think that was a really good investment. I will definitely buy from JC Bargain Buys again. I have been checking their site already, I'll be honest. I would definitely recommend them. Packaging needs a bit of work because it does come quite battered with loose tape. But everything's there, everything's, well, you know, everything is worth the money. So I can let a bit of battered tape slide, to be honest. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to the JC Bargain Buys website in the description box of this video. Boxes do sell out very quick. You need to keep checking if there's something you want in. They've got craft boxes, they've got Crayola boxes, they've got cleaning boxes, jewellery, makeup, all sorts of things. Go and have a look. But they do sell quickly, so you do need to keep checking back. But yeah, I'm really, really happy. I can't wait for her to come home from school now and to show her. I might have to give her this tonight for no other reason than I'd like to play with it with her. I'll be honest. So thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone that comes and watches my videos. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I'd love it if you would hit the subscribe button. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. I will be back with more crafting videos very, very soon. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take really good care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.